dress. And you should know this by the way I finesse. Or you could see it way before I come. Ain't gotta say where I'm from, don't act dumb. I'm from Oakland.
Morning. I need some beauty rest. It's 7:30 in the morning. I literally fell asleep editing at like 4:30, but I woke up at about 6 to try to finish up. I'm actually still editing, but just doing after touches on it. I got most of the vlog done. So this vlog that you're seeing right now, it's literally fresh off the presses. Yo, it's a banger too. I went out just to get a couple of different camera angles for Mike's video, but we had so much footage that I can just make a whole another kind of like BTS vlog without even using most of the same camera angles that Mike has. So it's a banger. Those are new to the channel, welcome, thank you. Give me a thumbs up, like right now, hit that like button. Just hit it real quick, cause I'm tired and we're working hard to get you content. Mike got me working too. He's he's got me focusing up on this, but it's cool, I like the challenge. That's the way I got game up. But I appreciate y'all for joining. Appreciate everybody for subscribing. Appreciate all the likes, appreciate all the interaction and comments. I like fuck with y'all cause y'all fuck with me. And let's just roll into this video.
I said you ran into the fastest car you're probably gonna ever run into on the roads, you know what I'm saying? Hey, be safe, you got it. Oh yeah, look, Coyote over there, regular 5.0 Yodi, right? But see, Bone Stock is more of a man than a lot of men, you know what I'm saying? So like this car, and then on top of that, because Mike's car ain't a drag car, it ain't a freeway car, it's a do it all, right? And yeah, it just happens to be fast. But this is the same thing. This is in the same vein. This does it all. This shit is fast and straight line, but you get the shit around Laguna Seca Sonoma Raceway, and this motherfucker is right.
Got ready to go. He going around the turn. I'm like, hey, we need to straight. Like, bro, you know how bad I get beat. I was like, you gonna walk the warranty. He was like, are you beat real bad? Stay tuned for the remix. Hey man, all I have over you is the power. But as far as that, the transmission
the car is
does
the
the work.
shit.
It is so hard to beat these dual clutch transmissions.
Yeah. All right, so we're gonna get to the racing. I'm just gonna jump out front. I just want them to go by and then I'll proceed after. So I'm staying out of the way. I'm just catching up outside footage. I smelled it the whole way.
Yeah, I was like, what the fuck?
Yeah. Did it pump back up?
Yeah, now it's cool.
Okay.
It's about to be getting by. On that last one, my clutch had died. Well, we'll be back on. We'll do a double.
Woo. Just hit quick, dog. Good run.
I ain't got nothing for him now.
It's still fast. Boy, y'all kicked so many disrespectful pebbles in my fucking face.
Hey, that's what Aaron was saying when me and him had ran.
Good. Now you see the cats in the Camaro trying to see what was happening. Then when y'all took off, they say, "Oh no, never mind."
These are nasty, yo.
Yeah. I mean, but they're a world-class sports car.
Oh, that motherfucker. I was like, goddamn. And then I was like, I forgot to do track mode because I remember they said you could track it all the way to 75.
Yeah.
It was changing at 4,000. I'm like, fuck. And that's when he was really killing me when he was just pulling. I was like, god damn.
Got the last run in on track mode? The last run was on track mode?
I put it in track mode, but I didn't use manual.
Yeah. They say it's smart enough to shift on, you know what I'm saying? Yeah.
I could have checked that motherfucker and I was keeping up. And then as soon as he changed gears,
I was probably behind your
so I could have stayed in that gear and then changed at the power band.
Yeah. Yo, this shit is, boy, these shits are raw.
I'll do like I try to do like a 50 roll. Because if I'm in second and I'm right for second.
Hey, they thought they was finna get with y'all program until y'all took off, and they said, nah, let them do what they doing. Hey, I'm not gonna lie, I think the R1 will get pulled on.
Same as the dope game here, bro.
Yeah, it really is.
And run it back. Because they know you get it back on the back end.
Alright. Head back to base. And shout out to Dean, because he did a pretty good job tuning this. His bike runs pretty hard. But against these fast motherfuckers, it just felt like a 600.
Yeah, twin gates on it.
I had the 87 Super, but I lost it when I locked it. I want to get one. You know what I'm talking about?
Yeah, AK3. Yeah. That shit was hella fun.
Where your boy at? Your boy's hella funny with the man.
Man, you know that was fun, yo. That was
I had a
fun.
little fun. That was a little fun.
Hey, last time when you got me, I was like, this shit was hella fun.
You're still next.
That motherfucker is fat.
Y'all still together though, like.
All right, so he's getting ready to head out. We literally been sitting here for like the last 2 hours chopping it up, had a blast. Super cool ass dude, yo. So once he makes a YouTube channel, I will for surely be linking it. And y'all gotta check him out. Dude's a character, yo.
Hey, we gonna work.
Hey, you got my number. We for sure gonna be in touch, bro.
Hey, yo. No cap. I was really trying to push that bike. It couldn't keep up with the cars. Real funny. But I hope y'all enjoyed the video, man. Like I said, like and subscribe. I'm finally woken up now. Those of you that are new to the channel, thank you. Welcome. What's up? And I'm going to continue to keep rolling out some footage. I actually edited like 3-4 videos tonight. So this whole week's content is done. But I keep stuff going every other day. This is just a special occasion because Mike's video is going up. It went up probably by like 18 minutes before this. So thank y'all for jumping over here and checking the video out. So that's going to be about it, man. I'll check y'all out. 2 fingers up, and I'll get you on the next experience, all right?